You say Alan, you depend the original brown. Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah, that means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
Yeah, do show you in the back.
What you going to do, Alan?
I'll show you out in the back.
Tell the people what you are doing, Alan.
Some juice we are mixing on, you know? Show them the tank.
We don't have to wait till the fruits and the guava and the apple done.
Yeah, the apple done.
We don't blend mine yet in Alan.
Yeah? Well, done you know, so we are use some of the artificial thing we then give, you know? So, at the tongue this. Yeah. So how we do it, you know? Full country style.
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with you. Want to put it in your mouth. Then you can say we're nasty.
No, we're more clean, you know?
Yeah. Where's a clean mouth, Alan?
Yeah, clean mouth. Toothpaste and toothbrushes.
And toothstick, all of this. Yeah.
Those are.
So, Alan, I show with Parry for him style of mixing tang in the bush, yeah. So that one there, what, Alan?
I want to go over.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yo, you said the man mad and I show them, man. You don't know when one man stuff.
This is one our food fund. I show them I put together. I show them, right?
Prison them up like you know.
Okay.
You say when they come one swan.
So no sugar, no you put in that.
No sugar, no sugar.
You just show them, Alan. Show you so shaking. We know artificial thing, you know, but you don't know we have to deal with the flood that sometimes. Yeah. So that's 2 pack is enough for the gallon buckle.
Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man.
Uncle Murphy, so we just them mix drinks up here, you know. Okay. So we are going to put him down in the deep freeze now, Alan?
Put him down in the fridge and we can go on easy yourself, you know.
Alright, so it's as easy as that, Alan.
Yeah man, as easy as that.
Show them the man.
See him there?
You say down in the deep freeze, you know.
Down in the deep freeze, just a little from this. You know, so some coolness here drink.
Man.
Yeah.
Mother Road.
Alright.
As easy as the easiest drinks that me ever see mix. So when you say curry, you are walk stylish?
Yeah, true.
Alan a walk stylish.
Alan a walk stylish.
So Alan have cut back, that's why I walk
Alan back to Alan come like you have a special type of stylish, you know.
And what guys you walk stylish?
I'm not tell the public, you know. No, the eye scene. The eye scene, the eye just have a stylish walking, you understand? The eye scene, but I don't have a cock stylish walking. You understand? Yeah, my 2 first cousins still, you know, but that's how we roll, you know.
Yes, I.
He's stylish and him cock stylish, you know.
Yeah, man. There's a cock stylish. Man.
I'm not sure teaching.
Alright,
I'm
Baba.
run the party today, you know. Alan run the party today, you know.
Yeah,
ice
man.
Water me I run today, you see? See ice water.
You say, Alan, you call the phone them?
Yeah man, I feed the film.
Call them, when we can't call them, the oars.
Coo, 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 coo.
Where fall in there?
I call the phone them.
Come.
I don't see none of them a run come yet. I wonder what happened.
Where give them the coconut trash? Parry.
Yeah.
Alan I call him for them and about shoe fall to feed them coconut trash.
Yeah.
But when them come, we come back and show you. Yeah.
Alright.
Yes, the Medina that you asking me about. I was so busy by looking about it. To let you see in the Medina in my hand to give you the real reasoning about the Medina. So the next video you will see me with the Medina in my hand telling you what the Medina is all about. You understand? It's not the Medina you alone is going to use alone when you're going to see me. The Medina is supposed to mix with 2 different bush. But the next video you will hear the name of the 2 different bush.
Yes, sir. Good, sir. Okay. Good reasoning. Good talk for us. Good talk. Yeah. Hey, a parboil, but give me a little rinse there. Hey, price is nice, Alan boy. Hey, pretty parboil, Parry.
Yeah, man.
Alan, I go and good in a bush. I parboil, you're pretty man. Give me a little one rinse there, Alan. Water cooling? Parry. And the water will come down from the spring, this, you know. Like I come out, I deep freeze, you know. That same little spring that I videoed. Let me tell you something, man. You don't know what you're missing, but you know when you come right here. Yeah, you put them there for your curry?
You can't reach inside.
You put them aside. Yeah. Yeah, me say the water cool, this curry will come from the gully. Yo, you don't miss the, how long give me the water there? You don't miss no ice water.
That's why them are I take away from something.
Me just drink one bottle of water will come out of deep freeze and this is no different.
Natural cool. Tell you about it.
Just it light, you know, taste like the one when I buckle.
Natural cool.
Good, sir. Good.
Yeah, you call this the country cooking, you know?
See this spoon there. He look mellow the curry, come look. See big spoon there. See him there. Stir them up his peas.
Yes, curry.
Your curry.
Stir up the peas, you know?
Serious coconut milk, that you know. And red peas.
Man.
Mother road
See
curry.
how I'm already?
Yes, I.
Mad.
Real Rastaman cooking.
So curry, if the people them come here, them know we get some of them a food there for eat.
All of them are food and them are get.
And them a go see when we are cooking.
Exactly.
Not me, because I not cook.
Me and Holland.
Yeah. Them a go see you know, you know not grow no can go hide.
Right
Before we have enough space.
Before
We have enough space for them to
everybody
watch
can
it.
come around who
And watch who want to look.
Seeing what we are doing.
Yes, that's how
Understand?
we be doing it.
No
Yeah.
hiding away from no.
No, we're not going around a corner go cook and then you come back with some food.
You understand?
Yeah, you can see what you're getting to
All
eat.
like how you're seeing it on the video.
Yeah.
You can have them in the kitchen teaching them.
Yes. Oh Lord.
And number one,
Tell
they're
them again,
supposed to be-
Uncle Alan.
Yeah, so you can have them in the kitchen teaching them.
You're supposed to be in the kitchen with us looking.
So when you can go back home, you're supposed to know exactly what to do.
In the kitchen cooking, asking questions, and you are prepared to answer the
Answer the
question.
question you ask us because it's what we're doing, your question about.
Good, sir. So when you
Understand?
answer the questions, it simply means that you know what you're doing.
What
so
we are
you
doing. So
can-
we answer your question positively.
Okay, good, sir. Next
Understand?
clip. Next clip.
Now, showing you are in the kitchen with us. When you come, and we are going to show you everything that we are doing. So, showing you everything that we are doing, we only just need a little blue note. That you can go away back with that, what we're teaching in the brains. And when you reach back home, you can do what we are teaching you at home. Just with a little blue note. Thank you. Yes.
Alright, your thing.
Yeah man, come closer man. I'm put them and look for it. See there? Brown stew, so we are brown them up. See how them cut up? We are brown them up and then we just cook them down in the pan. Right, that's why the seasoning just wrap it on pan, you know? And rub it in here. And cover it up, you know.
So we rub it how it tastes.
Well, I went to cook it, I taste it and say, well boy, yeah, we taste it. Alright, see? But this is a season we put on it at the jerk season. We get a little color in.
Alright.
I'm going to use brown in. You see me? I tell brown we deal with. You see me? Yeah, because we are Rasta man. When I use brown.
So when you say curry, if you get 500,000, you know, as a little countryman, you know,
Yes.
and breezy, not good to start.
Of course it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course it is.
So all you get on 500 and now curry. All you that deal
I
with
would
it?
start to fix up my house out of that 500,000.
Okay.
200,000 on my house.
Yeah.
And try to look at second-hand car, old car to buy.
Oh,
to
Lord.
shoot me on the road to make back myself a man.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So that piece of money that me would have get should make me be a man after a while.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. So Breezy, where you say if you get a 500 piece and all you that deal with for you?
Well, you know what I say, I have one little farm that I deal with.
All
I
right.
will enlarge my farm more
Yeah.
and fix up myself a little better.
Yes, sir.
Straighten up myself a little better.
All right.
I would have one big help that man
All
in
right.
our country part. Yeah.
Okay. Me think so too.
Yes, man.
Yeah. The people ain't hear you. Yes, sir. Good, sir. So here is if you get 500,000 and all you that's at you. Ah, you don't know. You're too young. You don't know you that do with it.
Well, me never put you one side
Oh.
and think about.
Which part one side you put it under your mattress?
No, that would be a wrong idea.
Okay.
I would try to put it in a bank, make some interest go and grow up on it.
Me not think no interest I grow up on them money there.
No, you have to go to your bank. You're not interest on for you. I will make sure no bank now. The bank not giving you interest. Anytime you feel your money grow on a piece of something, you see. When you work and overall the money taking, bank show you where they taking.
Then take out for them portion.
Yeah, man.
Interest.
Yeah. When you put your 500,000 in the bank here,
As a poor man.
yeah, society people borrow it and use it to run farm and things. I employ you back to come work for them with your same money.
You work for your own money back.
They're going to borrow your money from the bank. Then why you don't invest your money in farming yourself and do some things? Poor people save money, rich people invest money.
Yes, true talk, real talk.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah, real talk.
You know, so you can save 5,000 for your life yourself.
Bring the people and put my red to I get. When you look on the dashboard, you see TV, you look on them. Them I look on TV. Road you are saying.
Oh, wow.
My people, see how me rice and peas here. Yeah, I eat this. Sunday rice and peas.
You say Alan style.
Yeah, Rastaman style is
Yeah.
no sugar in this one.
Hi.
Yeah.
Whoa, you say right to salad, you pot there while up for your chicken.
Some of the chicken that.
Yeah, Alan, me not lie, your rice look good. Me not lie, me nephew. Proud of you. Touch me.
Oh, yes, auntie.
Yeah, proud of you, boy.
You know what stuff, man.
So tell them now, Alan.
Yes, my people, yeah, so we are doing the browns too, you know. I start brown there. So make oil hot, put in the meat, make it go on pan a low fire. And go and catch colour. Because colour we want, you know. Now use no browning.
Right, I'm at the same time, yeah, roast breadfruit on the fire there too,
At
Alan.
the same time, let it on the fire.
So rice and peas there they saw.
Yeah.
And chicken there they saw. Yeah.
So let's see the rice and peas.
Again.
Again, calf.
Rice and peas there they saw. Everything crisp, everything curry.
Then put
Brown
the
stew
mustard,
fall there they saw.
Sunday dinner.
And breadfruit underneath they saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, a countryman thing that. So you say, Alan, you run kitchen, no run you.
Alright.
Touch me. Hey. You say, Alan, you find the original brown.
Brown in the original brown in the you know.
Alan, one of them 4 legs there with my rice in a boy.
Thank you. So we do browning, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do browning. And agree.
So you not use no buckle brown.
No, back to browning. I thing. See how them stay in the pot?
Yeah, man. And cook that on and wait for somebody say, no, Alan.
Yeah, I get it, man. Nah, disappoint everything at all.
All pretty. Cook this.
sorry, so the people then can't get all this man.
Them all get it, man. Them all get it. Pick up the gravy and throw over it. Jesus. Alan?
Ital this, you know?
No, sir.
This is the ital thing.
Proud of you, Alan. So, Alan, may I get the authentic brown stew chicken today and rice and peas?
Yeah.
Because of the wood fire, make it authentic in Alan.
Yeah, man, and no brown in the night.
Yeah, man.
Ital browning.
Yep.
Yeah. Them thing I
Yes, sir. Long time I not get that dinner, yeah, Alan. Long time. And the picnic them are yearning for it. Cook on the wood fire, the rice and peas, and the chicken, Alan.
Cook up on the...
Yes, on the wood fire.
Yeah, them I think...
Yo, I'm proud of you. Mama proud of you, Alan. Yeah. Touch me out. Yeah.
Anyway, me go me drama to the place, you know. Anyway, me go me a drama to the place, man. Because I love dry drama, you know. I love when people feel good, man. I love drink room and feel nice and make people feel good. Yeah. You see how some girl pick me? Me love the like Jesus, so because you love. Yeah, what I'm saying, my auntie come back to this country because she born and grew up this country, right at this district, named Newsport. And she know that her mother was a great cook. And her mother don't teach her nothing foolish about cooking. We the grand come up also catching a piece of grandmother cooking. Grandmother eating, tasting and everything.
A master it now.
And we becomes a master of it. You understand? So my auntie exactly know what she's doing when she come back to her own district. Where she born and she grew. By using our method of cooking to show the people what it's all about. The highlighting of our thing.
Alright, sir. Yeah.
Yes. That's how the system said.
Yeah.
Yes.
Straight.
So anything she put on the table require and well substantial.
Good, sir. Yeah. Yeah, Corey.
Excellent.
Yes, Corey. Now, what you say? Are you that Alan? Go up in the spotlight, make them see you. Where you say, Corey? Alan name Brother Spectacle.
Brother Spectacle. you want to see Breezy one, man. Breezy one little one with two little high. If you miss a spy in it, man.
I see you again, Alan. Corey say Alan look like Brother Spectacle.